two projects. In this video, we are going to explain about the project title Sentiment Analysis on Facebook Comments. Before diving into the execution, let me give you an overview of the project. The project focuses on automatically figuring out if comments on Facebook are positive or negative. It does this by looking at the words people use in these comments. The idea is to understand how Facebook users feel about certain topics, posts, or events. This helps us grab public opinion, see what customers think, and understand how brands are seen on Facebook. Traditional methods like bag of words and lexicon based approaches help us understand sentiment. Bag of words counts words without considering their meaning, while lexicon based methods use pre made lists to assign sentiment scores to words. However, they might struggle with understanding informal language and slang, making them less effective on social media. To overcome these limitations, the proposed system utilizes support vector machine, random forest, Gaussian navy Bayes, decision tree, and a voting classifier for sentiment analysis on Facebook comments. Each algorithm contributes unique strengths to accurately classify sentiments, such as handling high dimensional data, capturing complex relationships, and combining predictions for improved performance and robustness. In this project, we have integrated Flask for building the web application to deploy our project. As an extension, we have used Flask, which provides a user-friendly web interface for this project, handling user authentication and text uploads, enhancing accessibility and usability. To implement this project, we need software and hardware requirements. Software requirements of the project are application is Anaconda, primary language is Python, front-end framework is Flask, back-end framework is Jupyter Notebook, database is SQLite 3, front-end technologies used in the project are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap 4. Hardware requirements of the project are operating system of Windows, processor of Wi-Fi and above, RAM of 8 GB and above, hard disk of 25 GB and above. Algorithms used. These are the algorithms built in the project for sentiment analysis. We have built all these algorithms to compare the performance with different evaluation metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and FN score. And here, the voting classifier outperformed the other algorithms, and that is the reason we have deployed it in the front end. Now let us execute this project. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder, which contains the project source code files. So here, this is the static folder. This folder consists of files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. This is the templates folder. This folder contains all the HTML pages used in the project. It typically includes files like index.html, about.html, and more, which represent different pages of the website. This is app.py file. This .py file contains the information related to front-end logic. It includes code written in Python that handles server-side operations such as processing user requests, interacting with the database, and generating dynamic content to be rendered in the HTML templates. And here, this is the data set, FB sentiment. Let us open this. So here, these are the Facebook posts. And here, this is the target column in which we have the labels for the Facebook post has positive or negative. This data set is used to train the models. Now close this data set. This is notebook.ipynb file. This is a Jupyter Notebook file which contains a combination of code, graphs, and outputs all in one place. It allows users to write and execute code in individual cells, making it a popular choice for data science. This is model file which contains algorithm information which will be loaded into the project code during runtime. This is signup.db file. This file is the database file used to store user information. And here, these are the test cases which we will use during the execution. First, we need to copy the path of the code folder from the address bar of the file explorer. So here, I'm copying the path. Now open the Anaconda prompt. Use the cd command followed by a space, and paste the copied path and hit enter. This command is used to change the current directory to the code folder's path. Now compile the app.py file using the command python space app.py and hit enter. This command will execute the Python script and perform a runtime check for any syntax errors or logical issues. After running the app.py file, the Flask framework will host the application locally at the default address localhost, which is this, and port, which is this. Now copy this local link provided by the Flask framework. I'm copying the link and paste this copied link into any web browser. I usually prefer Google Chrome and hit enter. The homepage of the project is displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Flask framework. If we are new users, we need to register first. So click on sign up link here. So here we need to enter all these details to register. But I have already registered. So click on sign in button. So here we need to enter the username and the password, which are static, and then click on login. We have logged in successfully and we are redirected to the prediction page. So here we need to enter the reviews Facebook post, and after entering the Facebook post, the application will predict whether the review is positive or negative. So here in the text box, we need to enter the reviews from the test cases. So these are the test cases. So I'm selecting the first one, copy this and paste it here. So this is the review. Now click on predict button. So here we can see the result, that is review classified as positive review. So it is a positive review. Now let us enter some more Facebook posts. Click on try again. Now let us enter one more comment from the test cases itself. So here I'm selecting this comment, copy this and paste it here. So this is a comment which we have entered. Now click on predict button. So here we can see the result, that is review classified as negative review. So it is a negative review based on the text which we have entered. Now click on try again. Let us enter some more text. Let us enter the text from the data itself. So here I am selecting this Facebook comment, copy this and paste it here, and then click on predict button. So here we can see the result, that is review classified as negative review. So it is a negative review based on the text. Let us enter some more comments. Click on try again. Let us enter one more comment from the data itself. So here I'm selecting this comment. Now paste it here. So this is the comment which we have entered. Now click on predict button. So here we can see the result, review classified as negative review. So here comments are classified as positive or negative based on the sentiment conveyed through words, context, tone, and emoticons. Positive sentiments include words like happy and love and more, while negative word sentiments include words like sad and hate. So in this way, by entering the comments, Facebook comments, we can classify them as negative or positive. We can try with other comments present in the test cases also.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.